Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up report for Cody in North Carolina on the RCI-2950DX6. Cody, get ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment. This unit has 4 RT1 finals in it, so you got some increased output over the standard 2950. 50 watt slug all the way down. I've got you at 2 watts just in case you set her in a 4-pill or something with you got full adjustability. And just a hair under 20 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, around 50 watts bird. Go over to peak, 250 watt scale. Hello, 1, 2, 3, hello, hello, hello. About 115, let's roll it all the way down. See, there's the carrier, 2 watts. Hello, still up there, 115, maybe even 120. Let's go over here to sideband. Hello, 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 hello. So about 60 watts all the way down. So roll it all the way up. Hello, 1, 2, hello, 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 hello. And about 110 all the way up. Alrighty, my friend. We're going to get this over to you, Cody. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscvsales.com. Bum bum.